चलता है. I'm so scared. असली है ना? है ना? याद है? What she's calling. जैकेट पहन ली है. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. It is a beautiful Monday morning. सावन का पहला सोमवार है आज. And of course like मैंने fast रखा है. But I will today show you an average day of my life in the mountains. So first of all, उठते ही I need coffee. So I have this small kitchen setup and then I'm gonna just sip some coffee in my coffee mug. Kiki in my coffee mug. I have had my coffee. So इसको बस साइड पे रखेंगे अभी. And Kiki, you wanna say hi? Then after coffee, today I'm kind of late. I woke up very late. But after coffee, I have to do. Yeah, मतलब. Kiki, wait na, babu. Say hello. Yeah, so I am basically cleaning my room. That is why it is like this. And then झाड़ू लगा के, पोछा लगा के, all of that. And then I'm just gonna like shove it off. सफाई करके. Then I'm gonna show you what I do after that. पहले झाड़ू पोछा लगा रही हूँ अभी. I have to do this and this. थोड़ा बहुत बाहर का. And it is a beautiful morning. It's been raining for a very long time since last night. But today it's a beautiful morning. And then I have to just do this झाड़ू पोछा. Then I'm gonna show you what I do. अभी मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा because I just woke it up and see the. I was like, oh shit, everything's so late. आज कोई भी नहीं है. मतलब my owner is not there. And we have a small cow. I named her Nandi. So I have to feed her and पानी देना है. You know, make sure she's also okay. And I have these two as well. So I have to quickly go and do that whole thing. मतलब उसको भी घास वास डालना है. तो an average life of a pahadi is like this. Except the meow. तो guys हो गया झाड़ू पोछा. It is still wet, but I have done it. And I just changed like their water dispenser. And it's like a fountain kind of thing. जिसमें एक छोटी सी लाइट जलती है. And monsoons are like the worst time ever to have that. क्योंकि उसमें कभी वो दाने वाले कीड़े आ रहे हैं. I mean, I don't know how to get rid of those दाने वाले कीड़े. It's so irritating. But today I just found a live huge insect जिसकी टेल वही कलर की चल रही थी जो वाटर फाउंटेन का चलता है. I'm so scared. I mean, I have encountered a lot of insects and a lot of कीड़े in the mountains, and I'm pretty much used to it. But this one was like, it was not that bug जिसका बम में लाइट जलता है, fairy whatever, but it was very scary one. And उसका सेम लाइट जल रहा था जो इसमें जलता है बम पे. And then the moment I flipped it off, so I'm making another coffee because that just scared me. So what happened was, this is our small tiny kitchen. So that insect had light, and when I flipped it off, light off हो गई. ठीक है. Once the light was off, it was walking like a centipede or a millipede. Oh god, it was very creepy. and it scared the hell out of me. So I'm not keeping that anymore. That is for sure. I'm not keeping the water dispenser. Let me show you. This is the parts, open parts of water dispenser. I've kept it कि थोड़ा धूप लगे. And whatever reason the insects are coming in, they should not. And I've just kept a normal bowl for them. So I think parenting here is also different. You don't always get the luxuries because you can't have them because there are so many kidas. So yeah, they can't have that luxury anymore to have a water fountain and just drink it from a bowl. But yeah, that was a scary morning encounter. I will show the clips of the bug it was. उसका light off हो गया था till that time. I don't know what is this, but the tail was like blinking like a light. अब मैं इसको बाहर फेंक रही हूँ. Come on, show your bum. It was blinking. But I swear I saw the same light. I was like, did the light fall off? And no, it was a bug that was walking like a centipede or millipede or whatever. But that was very scary. Well, whatever. Mountains encounter 101. So I got so scared, like I even shouted on this poor thing. But it happens. I need to first calm down and drink some coffee, and then I will have to go and feed the cow, Nandi, and then we'll see. I have to walk them, and that's how a typical morning is actually, like different bug encounters. Either here, they're dead at night, and I don't know how that happened. And they were drinking that water. Oh God, I'm so sorry, babies. But I am also new to mommy parenting in the mountains. So yeah, I will make my coffee, drink some coffee, calm down, and then I will see what happens next. Okay, let's make some coffee. Bro. ओके गाइज, कॉफ़ी हो गई है एंड मेरे को उसकी आवाज़ आने लग गई. सी, आई थिंक शी इज़ कॉलिंग. सो वी आर गोना गो एंड चेक एंड गिव हर सम फूड एंड वाटर. भाभी ने आई थिंक बोला था शाम को पानी देना है, सुबह कुछ देना है, एंड आई थिंक कोई दे रहा है, which is good. Let me just go and check as well. Okay. एक बार नंदी को चेक करते आते हैं and shit, I don't know. Yes. And we'll see. Oh my God, she's calling. जैकेट पहन लिया है. We're gonna go and check on Nandi and let's see what's the status. Hi Nandi. नंदी को पानी दिया, घास भी डाल दिया, पानी भी दे दिया. Now she's happier. Beautiful flowers. Hello, so beautiful. I'm gonna play रख के आएंगे. Look at the size of the मक्खी, huge मक्खी. तो नंदी को तो खाना दे दिया, किसी और ने दे दिया था, बट पानी भी दे दिया. तो मैं अब प्लेट रख के आ रही हूँ किचन में. बच्चों की छुट्टी हो गई है. अच्छा लग रहा है?
यस
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा
स्कूल से बीच में आए हो?
लंच ब्रेक हुआ है
असली है ना?
जी
है ना? याद है पहले भी बोला था। असली याद है ना? आए थे तुम। ले जाओ, ले जाओ इसे। ले जाना है। तो गाइस ये था public reaction of school kids. It is so cute. I mean, they're just so mesmerized by my hair, I guess. तो मेरे चप्पल बहुत गंदे हो गए and I just did झाड़ पोछा, so I'm just gonna keep it here. But it is so cute. I mean, last मेरी एक वीडियो भी वायरल गई थी and उसमें यही था कि these kids were like, wow, ये आपके रियल वाले हैं and what not. So yeah, it is cute to get all of this reaction from the kids, and they always like, oh दीदी आपके बाल. So yeah, it is cute and I love making people happy. So yeah, गाय को ऑलरेडी किसी ने मतलब एक और भैया है उन्होंने दे दिया था खाना एंड पानी का बाल्टी उन्होंने बोला था कि वो गिर जाता है सो कीप इट अवे बट ही वाज डूइंग हिज थिंग सो आई वाज आल्सो लाइक यू डू योर थिंग आई एम जस्ट गोना गो. मेरे को भी बोला था बट आई गॉट वेरी लेट एज यूजुअल. आई वोक अप वेरी लेट. रात को 3 बजे उठा दिया था. They were fighting at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, कोई बात नहीं. But after a beautiful monsoon pour, we have beautiful flowers that are there. Beautiful flowers and a beautiful one. So sweet. And we got an apple also. And these flowers. So this is where I keep my flowers. Whatever I pluck. फिर प्लेट रख दी. सब कुछ हो गया. Now I am what I'm gonna do. I can't eat because it's my fast. But I will go take a bath and then probably I can take them for a walk. क्योंकि अभी तो बहुत गीला गीला था नीचे. Everything is कीचड़ कीचड़. तो इवनिंग में मतलब आई जस्ट टेक इट फॉर अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. ज़्यादा लंबा वॉक नहीं, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना गो एंड टेक अ बाथ एंड गेट रेडी. टिल देन गीज़र भी हो गए थे. सो दैट्स अ टिपिकल मॉर्निंग दैट आई हैव हियर. उठते ही आई डू झाड़ू पोछा, बर्तन, कॉफ़ी एंड देन गाय को भी आज देखना है, नंदी को. एंड देन सफाई वगैरह करके टेक अ बाथ, गिव देम अ वॉक, दीज 2 बकरियाँ, एंड then we'll see what happens in the evening. So yeah, mountain life isn't easy. तो शाम को थोड़ा राशन भी लेने जाना है and then we'll see. I have to do a couple of edits, but yeah, भाग के आई मैं ऊपर. Because I was like, you do your thing, I'm just gonna go. मुझे भी बोला था but I think I got late. He seized the opportunity. She was like shouting काफ़ी टाइम से, but I was like, बस coffee finish हो रही है and I'm gonna go. Till then he reached. So I really wanted to do that. But no worries, I'll feed her in the evening. and feed her water in the evening. And आज शाम को मंदिर भी जाना है, so I have to get ready for that. So yeah, let's see. Mondays are always like, I don't want to like work too much or move too much because I'm fasting. And मुझे मेरे साथ कई बार हुआ है गलती से, just गलती से I was fasting and गलती से I was doing so much of work that by mistake I just had some food like biscuits and all. तो काफ़ी बार मेरे से ये मिस्टेक हो चुकी है, तो अब मैं नहीं करूँगी. आई एम नॉट गोना मूव टू मच टू मेक माई सेल्फ हंग्री. Excuse me. So all I can eat is fruits, and all I can drink is water, tea, and coffee. So that is like something that keeps me not hungry, क्योंकि coffee and tea actually suppresses your appetite. So I can have as much of coffee today and as much of tea. Fruits kind of make me hungry, so I don't pretty much eat fruits. But हाँ, नाशपाती and all कल लेके आए हम नाशपाती, plum straight from the farm. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have some of that if I find that. So I will go and get ready and go take a shower, and then I'll see you in the next task. Okay.